Should I do a burping video? Link it in the comments. Wait. Actually, I think I'll do a burping video right now. Gonna try to blow this thing up. It's not gonna work because this bag's broke, but it doesn't really work. It just makes it sound weird. Yeah, I'm gonna not do that anymore. Two more. Is that one or is that two? I think that's one. I know that's two, but it just wasn't good enough, so I'm going to do an ultimate psycho burp.